Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. In this today's video, we are going to explore the concept of ID and classes in HTML. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Here I am creating a new file named id and classes.html. Let's set up the basic HTML syntax using the doc keyword. Now in the body, I am adding two headings, heading 1 and heading 2. So basically, ID and classes are two attributes. These attributes is used to target elements. To understand it, I have to write some simple CSS. Don't worry, we will learn more about CSS in our upcoming videos. Here, I am adding a tag called style inside head tag. Style tag is used to write CSS in our HTML page. Now in CSS, we start a class by typing dot. And after that, type the name of class. Here I am creating a class called headings. In the curly braces, there is a property called color. Color property is used to change the color of text. Here I am setting it to red. Now let's add this headings class to our heading 1 and heading 2. Add class attribute here and set it to headings. Same for heading 2. Let's view this in the browser. Right click here and open this page using live server. Here you can see the color of the headings is red. Now let's talk about the ID attribute. An ID is a unique identity of an element. We can't assign the same ID to many elements. Here I am adding the ID attribute to heading 1 and setting it to h1. Let's do the same for heading 2 and change the ID to h2. Now in CSS, to target elements by ID, we have to add hash first, then type the ID. Here I am typing h1, then inside the curly braces, I am setting the color to blue. Back in the browser, you can see the color of heading 1 is now blue. So, let's conclude this. We can use the same class for many elements, but we can't assign the same ID to many elements. If you're still confused about it, please watch this video again. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course. Please do check out our playlist. Like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.